Hello SUV fans! The long-awaited Ford EcoSport is finally here, and it's set to take the world by storm in 2026, with a secret feature Ford is still keeping under wraps. Something big is hiding behind its sleek new design, and we're here to reveal it all step by step. Stay tuned until the end of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because the biggest surprise of this innovative small SUV is about to surprise you. From the very first glance, the 2025 Ford EcoSport commands attention with a futuristic exterior that shatters expectations for a compact SUV. The new model boasts sharper lines, a bold front grille, and ultra-slim LED headlights that give it a cutting-edge presence on the road. Ford clearly aimed to create a design that blends elegance with a sporty attitude, and the result is nothing short of stunning. Up front, the redesigned grille with its seamless LED light bar stretches across the width of the vehicle, creating a striking signature look both day and night. The lower bumper is more sculpted and aerodynamic, giving the EcoSport an aggressive yet refined stance. Every detail screams premium, from the flush door handles to the high-gloss black accents that wrap around the body. Moving to the rear, the story gets even more exciting. The back features a sleek, full-width LED taillight strip that not only looks modern but also increases visibility and safety. The twin exhaust design and sporty diffuser complete the look, making the 2025 EcoSport appear more like a high-performance crossover than a traditional compact SUV. But it's not just about good looks. Ford has packed the new EcoSport with upgraded specs that will make competitors sweat. Rumors suggest an all-new hybrid powertrain that balances thrilling performance with impressive fuel efficiency. Expect lightning-quick acceleration, improved suspension for a smoother ride, and advanced all-wheel drive capability to handle any terrain with ease. Inside, Ford didn't hold back on luxury. Step into the cabin and you're greeted by premium materials, a panoramic glass roof, and a next-generation infotainment system with a massive touchscreen. Ambient lighting, wireless charging, and an upgraded sound system elevate every drive, proving that compact doesn't have to mean basic. Safety is another area where the 2025 EcoSport aims to dominate. Ford's latest Co-Pilot 360 technology brings adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera, ensuring peace of mind in city traffic or on long road trips. Pricing is expected to start around the mid-$20,000 range, making it an irresistible value for anyone seeking a stylish yet practical small SUV. Ford promises multiple trim levels, from a budget-friendly base model to a fully loaded premium edition. So there's an EcoSport for every lifestyle. Ford's comeback strategy is clear. This is not just a refresh, it's a statement. The 2025 EcoSport is engineered to outperform its rivals, combining bold design, powerful specs, and a luxurious interior that rivals larger SUVs. Competitors like Hyundai Kona, Toyota CHR, and Honda HR-V should take notice. Ford is coming for the crown. And now for the secret you've been waiting for. Ford insiders hint at a never-before-seen Smart Flex power mode, a revolutionary system that automatically switches between electric and gas power for maximum efficiency without sacrificing performance. If this rumor proves true, the EcoSport could redefine what's possible in the small SUV segment.
The 2025 Ford EcoSport isn't just back, it's better, bolder, and ready to shock the market. Watch our full review video, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned as we unveil even more hidden features of this jaw-dropping small SUV. The future of compact crossovers is here, and Ford just set the new standard.